Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about TikTok again. Although Twitter behave, they might have to change the name to ShitTok. Because it's become one giant pit toilet. Another quote-unquote TikToker is dead. Aristocrats and will ruin anything. People them app that originally turned out. The first time I hear about TikTok, I picked them on it. That's how I start hear about TikTok. Some little small clips, some little fun thing, and just give time. Wait till the Aristocrats reach. As I said, because of tropical battery. You to them kill. They call him 41 Busshead. People post all kind of video when put up. Of course, because him is a quote-unquote TikToker, all kind of videos start making response, talking about who do it and why him did, and cause him related to that money, and cause that money this, that money, and a man he shoot up round already, and the ends goes Rrr! So all that out there already. Instead, what I'm going to talk about is the culture and mindset and how these aristocrats will turn anyway into the wild west and a killing field. Like how innocent it started out. Before we go into that couple of announcements, first another Patreon birthday shout out. This one goes out to OJ, and we're not talking about the Simpson. We're talking about OJ, right, the son of Epoxy from the Patreon squad. Yesterday was OJ birthday. OJ, big up yourself. OJ, big up yourself. This one is coming straight from your daddy, your real daddy. We're not talking about like how people say, thick man of them daddy. I mean, your real daddy. Father, proud of your OJ. That's right, it's one of the greatest things a youth can achieve. When they can make your parents proud of you. That worth more than silver, gold, and frankincense. By the way, congrats on the new home. Father tell me say, drop a foreign and start putting the work right away and start the house. So congrats on the new home, OJ, but you don't make already. Once me about new house. Once me about Gucci and Chanel and handbag make out a crocodile clitoris. Once me start hear about diamond chain and them thing there, know so right away the bad mind chip activated. So big up yourself, but bad mind see me can't change that, so we stay. So big up OG and big up Epoxy from the Patreon squad. Next announcement tomorrow, 2 videos drop about 2 different lawyers. Tomorrow, 2 videos are drop about 2 different lawyers. One on the prosecution side, one on the defense. One on the prosecution side, one on the defense. When you talk about prosecution, you should know so the first one is going to be Paul William. If you Arimanians don't see how them people here play this out and tell me that this is not all by design, then me can't help you. Just like back in the day when time Runkus try to show them certain things and them burn out Runkus and laugh for Runkus and stay up on Thomas this whole plantation and get defecated in them mouth, I see anything go on today. If you don't realize how them people are designed this, Paul Llewellyn get take away before such man run up on him thing and appeal. As soon as them Lego back them little dopey bat, them say right, go on back a road now. Can get back your work. You can get back your work now. But this is all coincidence again. Remember, I'm a conspiracy theorist and true, I'm not really educated. I can't really read and write, so true, I don't know the law work and them thing there. So I'm just easy back and make who know the experts and bright people deal with it. Look out for the video tomorrow. Next one is a video about a defense lawyer and I drop it on Patreon and I say, what go on for these people? I'm say, look with you, but do it. Do it. So we are going to do it. Has to be studied. You know, long me I wait for one of them show them double standards and them unicorn meat or presumption of innocence. Unicorn meat! Tune in, defense lawyer guy. You must have get called to the bar for your drink, you know. So have your drink ready tomorrow. TikToker. 41 Busshead. Look at the man them bust him head. I realize the Irish Saxon use them confused. Them want to do everything and anything. Even if them know them attached to certain world, even if them know them attached to certain people, them still want to live like normal people. Them want to be on TikTok, them want to be here and there, them want to go live, them want to be seen. The story about how you dead and who linked to who, as I said that all over the same TikTok, you can get that elsewhere if you want it. I might talk to you about the culture and the mindset right now. And let me just add this in. People are overused TikToker now. Like I said, that's all people are. A teacher who joined TikTok is still a teacher. A plumber on TikTok who go live is a plumber. A police who go on TikTok still a police. A blue bandit on TikTok is a blue bandit. A sprat who go on TikTok is a sprat. Who just a throw the title TikTokers like so that's all people are. Enough people life a catch up with them on TikTok and because by now them get some kind of popularity and clout, the people them who tune into them, right, just a describe them as TikTokers. Let them know what go on in the streets. And when things reach them try for every reason make it sound like, boy, I just want them thing down. People, I treat them a bad mind because they say that thing I take off right now and them go so. You see me I say? You see, if Rajic was alive, Clansman Rajic, him that on TikTok. You see him love singing in front of the camera and chat? Him that on TikTok. Rajic would have on TikTok. Be a chatting, be a video. And people that tune in, and he'll be called a TikToker. And when Rajic end up dead, they may say a TikToker gets killed. And that's what they may say. Fresh a little fool fans them. All the man do a post TikTok video dog. And remember say every 87 know the style them way. Now here we do just drop on 1 and 2 video every now and then and say, yo, may I tell you them just go on easy. See me I say and just live up on the body of the violence. See me I say dog. And then when they dead now, they might just take them 2 clip different Rajic. In more life is about acidity and destruction. But then they might drop like 1 3 video every now and then and say, yo dog, you them for just be peaceful. See me I say dog. And then when Rajic dead now, him followers them on TikTok I go find the video Rajic I say, yo dog, just easy and start the violence and then flood that video there. And then now Rajic will be like some saint who died trying to spread the word of peace. It has to be studied. That's like a bird that walk on the ground and people record a few little time them it walk on the ground and say that's a land animal. Like it's not still a bird that can fly and fly most of the time. That's what for them you to do on TikTok, you know. I'm not talking specifically the boss said no. I just realize how the Irish accent and do them thing. If the DJ them 23 hours a day, highly acidic. Death and destruction, but through them know say people are pre them, every now and then they run out. Yo, the man just beat themselves and start the violence, see me and say dog. And then people now just cut that little 1 clip and say, see it dog. The man has start the violence and the man has show the youths them say, cut the crap Irish Saxon. Man life I catch up with them. People are say, yo, and you see, look up the 41 Busshead, in the bad the dog. And in the dog, I think must have up on in brother when I say dog and in friend when I say dog. As if him name 41 Eel Head or 41 Repair Head. In the name Repair Head, name Busshead. The group of man them where you say him no want nothing to do with, him shouldn't take on the name. That is ridiculous. Irish Saxons have very poor reasoning ability. If me not have nothing to do with Uncle Sam, me hate what Uncle Sam stand for. There is no way me can call myself Sir P America. That don't make no sense. Because if I want me go into the world and people say America, the next question I'm going to ask me, so, you're a Yankee. What you think about Biden? What you think about Trump? Me can't say that, yo dog, no one to call me, me not have for that dog, but me just call myself America out of idleness. That is stupidity. Should I call himself 41 Heel Head? Him should I call himself 41 Repair Head? Me telling about the power of names. The power of names. All if you know in a something. No find name them when attached to say that's all kind of crosses reach, you know. Both said should I pick one next name? Because words of power and names of power. You can't call yourself right dirty girl and walk around and tell people to treat her like some kind of queen. It won't work. How you want to be treated is how you should present yourself. So if you want to get treated like Empress, call yourself Empress. But if you come on like Jada Kingdom and say Gen Z Jezebel, then you'll be treated like a Gen Z Jezebel. Irish Saxons want to come on like come call themselves thinking mode. And then when you put on your mask and you see them and say, yo, we are scorned before. Then you call yourself thinking mode. One for the push my nose in your mouth and find out if you stink for real. No, you call yourself thinking mode. Words of power. That's why I'm telling them, so be careful when you call, when you pitney them. Be careful, sometimes when you get vexed and you start call pitney some names, when you know what to do. Sometimes when you get vexed and you say, you're not going to turn off be nothing. Right. Dirty stinking girl and them something there. I know Iron Man style and I know our style of cussing different, but we have to know what to do. Cause words of power and some things I want to put out there to come back. Should I call himself 41 repair head? Fix head? You him a dash of them life on social media. And for what? Top stand roses? Little temporary clout? Them people in the business about to know youth. A 3-day story this. The business about to know. Them people who are tuning and are gassing up, then the business about to know. TikTok originally started out as one little innocent something from a little small clips play and pitney sit down and watch them sitting there. It started out as TikTok but now it turned TikTok. Jamaica and TikTok is a microcosm of Jamaica itself. Infested with degeneracy, sprats, 87s, low IQ, low frequency nonsense. And in the mixture of that, there's like some little pockets of people who, present, valuable and educational things that can benefit people and help people, but it gets overwhelmed by the aforementioned things. I'm gonna play a little video. You see my view put up. Check this out.
So nobody think I joke now. And when me I tell you my youth, listen when me I tell you dog. Listen dog. Wanna look dog, wanna listen youth. Wanna look, he belly full dog. Listen. We're mad youth anywhere in a real life for bad dog. Look dog. Look dog, shalom. Wanna go suck on the mama. I mean I have to show on nothing more. Go suck out on the mother shalom. On a real mother to youth. Real mother. Yeah? Go suck your mother. Batty boy. Yeah? Brawling and disgusting pussy. Suck out your mother. Hey boy, if you don't feel hey boy, I don't want no thing say a joke thing in a dog. I don't want to take your badness in a joke badness in a suck pussy batty boy. When you don't hear me attack dog. Brother, when you don't hear me attack youth. Shalom, me don't like you youth. Youth, me don't need to avoid me woman them on the app dog. Avoid the woman them on the app and go suck on the mother.
So the people them sitting with original them say some little small video clip and some little fun thing and like that. Until Irish Saxons to get there. At this point I feel just wonder if some Irish Saxons are just so acidic and them IQ just so low and can't help themselves. Just like how a baby can't help themselves, them have to just defecate in them pampers. And you have to just accept that's how baby go. You come like if you just accept it. There's like a big portion of Irish Saxons just can't help themselves. Because if you tell me say 87, actual 87, they on TikTok. Or do this and do that, man I commit murder on TikTok. But if you just expose them, maybe, right, Thomas this would pick them, just can't help themselves. Maybe if we're gonna start treat them like a baby. Maybe we have to start treat them like a baby. Let me say that one more time. Maybe we have to start treat them like a baby and say, well, baby inherently full and understands and can't do no better. A baby is inherently LIQ. Inherently. There is nothing a baby can do. When it comes on to certain things, babies can't drive. Babies can't walk. Babies can't talk. I'm not talking about newborn now. Baby can't get up and go use the bathroom. Baby urinate and defecate all over themselves. And you have to just accept that because of that coming the baby thing. When you the most baby and them defecate for themselves, you just again, and you clean them up. You can't be like, yo, what you do? Stop defecate by yourself. Because baby that be like, what you talking about? This is what I do with my baby. I defecate on myself. I urinate on myself. I make noise and ball every minute. So like I said, we're gonna start treat Irish Saxons now. Because people talk to them long enough and often enough. For them hear everything them can hear under the sun. And them still do this. So we have to start treat maybe we have to start treat them like a baby. Maybe their acidity is so deep rooted in them. IQ and EQ is so low. Vibrate at such a low frequency. They have to just self-destruct. Like a baby have to just defecate upon themselves. It has to be studied. We're watching Irish Saxons wipe out themselves on TikTok in a real time. In a real time, guy, we're watching JCF and JDF soldiers, allegedly trained people, acting a fool on social media and TikTok like they don't have no sense. And they can't even see how stupid them look. So maybe we're going to start treat them like a baby. It has to be studied. It has to be studied. Guy, call your friend name from you and them place. We have to go do the research. We have to go do the research. Maybe, guy, the same way it is ridiculous if you expect a newborn baby to start solve mathematical equations, maybe the same way it is ridiculous you expect Thomas Tesla would put to them to just can live in peace and exist. This is what I'm telling you, say, we have to fight tooth and nail to save the minds of the next generation because them it are gone. This to the Irish Saxons in the Iron Man and right across the diaspora, because people link me all the time, boy look YouTube, I look rough. Yes, it look rough. Yes, it looks spooky. But we have to do it for the youths them who come after. We have to start thinking about the future. It's like a football team we pop down and now in the game. And you them say, well, alright, right now let's try to survive and don't get relegated. But after that we're going to rebuild the team. I saw you have to look on it. And let me tell you something, Irish Saxon. No for you who sit down and live on TikTok every day, no for them must shoulder some of this burden too. Because when you encourage them, there's no limit, no standard. Any little freak, 87 acidic sprat from anywhere can jump on TikTok and all of a sudden you see people sit down will dare tune in. Guy, I understand. And I know you're thinking to yourself, yeah, but you're a YouTuber. Guy, even as a YouTuber, let me tell you about me now. Even as a YouTuber, a little YouTuber at that. You sometimes me drop my content on YouTube, me have like 4 to 5 content creators that me can sit down and listen to. How to sit down and listen to any and everybody, I don't know how to do it. Your brain has to be studied. The way how somebody can listen to anybody every day, me can't do it. There's only a handful of people me can sit down and listen to. A handful. I don't know which frequency I vibrate at. I don't know which frequency I'm vibrating at, but it has to be studied. Because the moment me start hear foolishness, me check out. Me can't sit down and listen to LIQ reasoning. Me don't know how to do it. But me realize not only just want entertainment by any means, which is why TikTok is so great because it's a haven of entertainment. There must be something that entertain you. I'm not talking about what they call, some people call it edutainment, where you get entertained but learn something at the same time. It's not like Top Gear where you get entertained by the car them, but at the same time you learn about the car them. Not only just want entertainment, low frequency, highly acidic nonsense when I have nothing to do with nothing. If somebody tell me say me that walk past Ironmanians 9 o'clock, and when you walk past them again 2 o'clock, then they get up from the same spot and then they move off of TikTok and at the same foolishness somebody listen to. Gen Z, Jezebel, Sprats and 87s. It has to be studied. Someone who quote unquote man need to start have some kind of boundaries in our homes. Because I know someone sit down and see some of them things here. And see how the family sit down and consume every single day. Guy, there has to be a price to pay. Me I tell you say brain cell lose. Me know man I go tell you say me a bad mind TikTokers now, me a bad mind YouTubers and all them something. Me a bad mind everybody on social media. I'm telling you guy, some of them things that want to woman on the pit them sit down and listen to, brain cell lose. I would go as far as to say That the older type of Jamaica, we're not talking about education now. We're not talking about big school. We're not talking about big degree now. Because obviously Jamaicans are now more educated than the older Jamaicans. Me not talk about education. Me not talk about have sense. I would go as far as to say Jamaicans have less sense now in the social media and internet era than back in the day. I'm new you're gonna say I cause me a dinosaur. I'm old and washed up. Guy, when time me a youth, enough of the people them in my community never gonna big school. And some of the reasoning why they did a drop them time there was way ahead of the game. There was no Google, there was no youth, you couldn't find information easy. I'm telling you guys, it has to be studied. And remember, me tell you, whatever I say about Iron Man apply to Uncle Sam. People fooler now than they've ever been. And internet and social media and the things they want to consume have a big part for doing it. The social media content and the music on the sit down and listen to 24 hours a day and wipe out some of the women sells them. It has to be studied. Some of the quote unquote man need to start regular, you need to start a runway pitney off for some of them TikToks in there. Yo, come on for that. Someone need to start asking a woman, yo, what y'all listen to? Cause enough Irish and females, me notice everything we take for joke, you know. Everything, when you see how some little sprat up on the internet are going the most way, and I talk about the most thing on the sit down side of pitney, and I laugh and I skin teeth, and I talk about, that's a little joke, man, I want to you. Joke, you a comedian? Are you Eddie Murphy? Guys, shit talk has to be studied. The Irish accent has to be studied. Yes, me a bad man TikToker, cause I didn't take up my girl. I mean, it's a TikTok all buy Benz and Beamer right now and handbag for the woman make out a crocodile teeth or something there. So a bad man turn up. 41 Busshead. Should I change him name? Them name that bring them crashes for your youth. You must say another day when I want to see the youth dead so, you know. As much as you hear me talk about what the youth are acidic, I don't want to see them dead so. I don't want to see them dead so. But them not learn. Guy, you not try to live multiple lives at the same time. Guy, make up on the mind. Pick a side and stay on it. This one you flip flop back and forth. Today you're killy, tomorrow you're Gandhi. Make up on the mind, please. Because in a real life, the man them wanna beef with in a real life, in a business about on a fake good guy persona on TikTok. Una man na go war, and then after move get make, and man say them go rally back. Then you up on social media talk about, well, you know, we all have to like, you know, live in peace and all them things there. When you know you are go out at night time. And you know who you are linked with, you know what them are going with. And you know saying an Iron Man, if you can't catch Squawk, you catch him shot. Yeah, Busshead attack, because Busshead knows that death was coming. Busshead no more than uno. Uno know nothing. Busshead no more than uno. That's why I'm talk the way I'm talk. When you hear TikTokers talk like say, them attack like death is imminent, it's because them know what go on in real life, who them link with and who wants to one where them did one. Them know all that. Now for the little cryptic messages when them dropping them, enough man leave some little cryptic messages, because them know what come. Them know what come. Back in the day, with Biggie and Tupac, we used to say, all them man are so obsessed with death. Biggie and Tupac was all about death. Look on Biggie first album, Ready to Die. Second one, Life After Death, has to be studied. Tupac talk about Machiavelli long before him dead. Them know what coming. But there's life and death in the power of the tongue in the youth. How they not learn. I'm gonna tell the foolishness is. Yo dog, I those entertainment and art and this man said dog, so in there say this now. See man said dog. Good luck. Hope it work out for me still. Get squad big up on yourself, PIA. You don't know, more life. Walter Squad, stay circling. Bless.